This video is a guide for paying in advance to park at the University of Southern Maine, or USM. Please note that even though you're paying to park on campus, we cannot guarantee that a parking spot will be available when you arrive. Our busiest parking hours are Monday through Thursday from 8:30 a.m. to 2 p.m., so make sure to give yourself plenty of time to find a parking space. If you get stuck and need help, email us at usmparkingservices@maine.edu or call us at 207-780-4718. To pay to park at USM before you arrive on campus, go to usm.maine.edu/paynow. Your screen size may not be the same as what you see here, but the interface is the same whether you're using a computer or mobile device. Please note that you don't need a ParkingGauge account to pay in advance. From the Reserved Parking Zone drop-down, select any parking lot or garage for the campus you plan to park on. You'll be covered for the entire campus during the time you select in the next step, regardless of the zone you select on that campus. If you plan to visit more than one USM campus on the same day, you'll need to submit a new transaction for each campus. For example, if you visit our Gorham campus in the morning and then our Portland campus after lunch, you'll need to pay to park for each campus visit separately. Select your start and end dates and times in 15-minute increments for when you plan to arrive and leave campus. The total amount due will automatically adjust based on your selections and includes a processing fee. Verify your selections and click or tap the Next button. We require an email address and a phone number to complete your transaction. Enter a mobile phone number to receive text messages about your parking session. Verify your information and click or tap the Next button. If you have a validation or promo code, look for the Apply Promo Code checkbox. Enter the code in the promo code field that appears after you check the box and click or tap Apply. The total amount due will automatically adjust. Include any dashes that may appear on your license plate, but don't include spaces, dots, hearts, stars, or other special characters. Select the make, model, and color from the drop-down menus. If your make isn't listed, choose Others and fill in the blanks. Then choose the state or province for your license plate. Make sure to double-check your vehicle information for any typos or incorrect selections. If your information is wrong, you could receive a fine. Click or tap the Next button. Enter your credit card information and click or tap the Terms and Conditions link to review our parking policies and information. Then check the box. If you don't agree to our terms and conditions, you cannot complete this transaction. After you click or tap the Confirm and Pay button to complete your transaction, you don't need to do anything else. Our license plate recognition system will track when you arrive on campus and when you leave. And you're done! Once your credit card is processed, you'll get a thank you for booking message. Your ticket ID, start and end dates and times, and the parking zone you selected appear on the screen. There's a link to learn more about parking on campus and another for directions through Google Maps. The QR code can be scanned at a pay station on campus to make adjustments to your parking session after you arrive, like extending your parking time. Click or tap the Download Ticket button to save a PDF copy of your receipt. Look for a confirmation text message if you entered a mobile phone number and an email from notifications@parkinggauge.com with your parking session information. If you need to cancel your parking session, click or tap the button in your confirmation email that says Cancel Reservation. Once the page loads, click or tap the Cancel Reservation link near your name. Then look for a confirmation email from notifications@parkinggauge.com. If you have any questions, email us at usmparkingservices@maine.edu.